Hi, Busy Bees.
Hey.
Mr. Burkett's here again, and we're in our kitchen today for this science experiment. So normally if we were in class all together, this is something that I would have you help me with. So if mom and dad say it's okay and you happen to have the stuff to do this, then you can try this at home. You'd need to be near water or near a sink, but if not, then you can just watch us do it. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna use some Alka-Seltzer tablets, which are something that you can take, or mom and dads might take when their tummies don't feel good, and water. And so what we're gonna do first is just show you what happens when you add water to the Alka-Seltzer tablet, and Mr. Burkett is gonna tell us what's going on.
That's right. So as you can see, I'm going to get this real close so you can see what's happening there. When the water touches the tablets, it starts to make a reaction where it releases bubbles, and more bubbles come out of the tablets the longer they touch water. So it's those bubbles that come out of the tablet that we want to try to put inside of our pretend planets.
So what we have are some balloons, and that's going to be kind of where we put these Alka-Seltzer tablets and the water. That's still going.
It's still going, yep.
And this is how we're going to grow our pretend planet. So I'm going to leave one balloon just with nothing in it so we can remember how the balloon starts. Gracie wants to say hi.
Gracie wants to say hi.
I have a balloon that we just put water in, and I put a 0 on it so we remember that there's no Alka-Seltzer tablets in it. And now I put a 1 on this balloon, just a 1, and so we have one little piece of a tablet that we're going to put into the balloon.
You might have to have some help to get the balloon pulled apart so you can put the piece of the tablet down in it.
And now on this balloon, I put a 4. So this would be one whole big tablet. And so I broke it into 4 pieces to make it easier to get inside the balloon. So 1, 2, 3.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
Sorry. And 4 pieces of the Alka-Seltzer tablet. Okay. So now, put the water back there. Mr. Burkett is going to fill that balloon with 1 piece of a tablet in there, and then what we're going to do is we're going to compare how much that planet grows compared to the one where we didn't put any Alka-Seltzer in there. And remember that what's happening inside, we can't see it because it's inside the balloon now. We can't see it, but when he poured the water in, it started to make the tablet fizz. We could actually hear it here in the kitchen. And, oh, it's a little like, so it's not much bigger, the 0 and the 1. The 1 isn't much bigger, but I can actually, it doesn't feel quite as squishy. It's a little harder. And so now he's gonna fill the one that has more tablets in it, and we'll see if we can get that one to grow a little bigger. Oh, it does look like they're very slow growing planets. It is actually getting bigger, and that's because if you remember when we did it in the cup, it was still fizzing after Mr. Burkett brought it over here, and he was telling us that that was the bubbles that were fizzing and making noise. Oh wow! So this is the one with 4.
And look at that planet grow.
And actually, we can hear the fizzing.
If you can hear that, it's still fizzing. And so remember, when we had a water balloon, when we had no tablets at all, this is just water. So we put the same amount of water in both balloons, but look at what happens when the water and the bubbles and everything get trapped inside that. It grows and grows and grows. And you can even see.
And so our 1 got a little bit bigger. It's just a little bigger. But the 4 is way bigger. And then just so you remember, this is what we started with. This is just nothing in it at all. And then we had, I can't quite hold all of them, but, oh, there we go. So just our balloon, just our water, and then we put 1 little piece, and then we put 4 little pieces.
Mhm.
So the more pieces we put in, the bigger, and I think the faster, the little planets grew.
So which planet is this?
Of
the big planet. What's the
Jupiter.
So this could be Jupiter, and this could be a medium-sized planet, and then this could be a small planet.
I'd say Earth is medium.
Yeah.
And then Mercury.
Maybe Mercury.
Mercury's teeny tiny. All right, so like I said before, if moms and dads say it's okay and you happen to have this stuff, you can try growing your own planets. And we did use just regular party balloons from the grocery store. They don't have to be water balloons. But if you don't happen to have the stuff, that's okay. You can just watch us do it again and try to see if you remember which planet gets the biggest by the end. Bye, guys.
Bye.